Are you baking late into the night, juggling endless orders, and still wondering why your bank account doesn't match your hard work? Does it feel like no matter how much you do, it's never enough? Hi, my name is Dipti Harshad, and if you have been burning out while trying to run your home bakery, this video is for you. So today I will uncover the real reasons you are overworking and still not making enough, and more importantly, how to fix it. But before we dive in, make sure to save and share this video because trust me, every home baker needs to hear this. So let's jump in right now and turn your hard work into a real profit. Running a home bakery isn't just about baking or decorating your cakes. It's about managing your business smartly. If you feel like you're stuck on a hamster wheel, it's because of these three big mistakes: poor time management, underpricing, and not having systems in place. So let's break it down and fix these issues step by step. First thing first, poor time management. Time is money, but are you spending your time wisely? Be honest. How much of your day goes into tasks that don't really grow your business? Here is the problem. Many bakers spend hours on small things like answering every inquiry immediately or overcomplicating their processes. And here is the fix. Batch your work. Dedicate specific times for baking, decorating, and even answering messages. Second, use tools like timers or task planners to stay on track. And here is a golden tip. Create a menu day once a week where you bake items in bulk. This saves a lot of your time and it will increase your productivity as well. So what is that one task that eats up most of your time? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to help you. Second is pricing issues. Let's talk about pricing. Are you charging what you are worth? Most home bakers feel guilty about raising the prices of their cakes and they end up working twice as hard for half the pay. But here is the truth. If you don't price your products correctly, you will never make enough to sustain your business. And how do we fix this? Calculate your costs, ingredients, time, and utilities. Add a profit margin that reflects your hard work. And don't forget delivery and packaging costs as well. So here is a quick challenge for you. Take one of your products and recalculate its price. Does it cover all your costs? If not, it's time for a change. And third one is lack of systems for efficiency. This third reason you are overworking is the lack of system. Do you have a process for taking orders, planning your baking schedule, or even organizing your kitchen? Because without systems, you will always feel so overwhelmed. And here is how to fix it. Create a standard workflow. From taking orders to delivery, write down each step. Use templates for common tasks like invoices or messages. Organize your workspace. Keep your tools and ingredients in designated spots. And here is a pro tip for you. Use simple tools like Google Sheets to track your orders and deadlines. It's free, but it makes a world of a difference. So here is what I want to conclude. By improving your time management, pricing fairly, and building efficient systems, you can reduce your workload and increase your profits. Remember, success isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more strategies to grow your home bakery without burning out. And hey, do share this video with a fellow baker who really needs to hear this message. Until next time, keep baking smart and keep making those profits soar. You have got this. God bless.